In this video I am gonna show you Java installation process, Java development kit installation process. First of all, we are going to download Java JDK from oracle.com. This is the official website. You can download any version from Oracle. I have downloaded 8th version of JDK. Because I have already downloaded it, I skip it and I am going to install in front of you. You can see the installation process. The installation is very simple. After the installation, you can use compile and run through CMD. CMD will run and compile our program of Java. I will show you the whole process of Java installation. So you can see our installation process is completed and we are going to run Java program. We are going to environment variables to set the path of our Java JDK to run in our CMD. Code program file, Java JDK and bin. Copy the path and paste it in the environment variables. You can get the environment variables from properties of the PC and click path, edit and add new. I have already added the path, so click OK and go to CMD. Command prompt to check the running of our program. Type Java and version, space version. You can see our program is running successfully. This is how you can run. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe